We are taking a tour of the Henley, a 4-bedroom brand new home nestled in the Maltings development by Redrow, which is just 45 minutes directly into London Marylebone. As an executive home, the Henley is really impressive. It's got a double garage, 2 ensuite bedrooms and a 36-foot living, kitchen and dining area. A generously proportioned home built with quality and character in mind. The Henley is part of the Heritage Collection and is a true example of an arts and crafts inspired home. So it's built using local materials, a solid structure, spacious layout and a quintessentially British design, but with all of the latest mod cons of course. The starting price to live on this development is £470,000 for a 3-bedroom Letchworth semi-detached, but this one is going for only £850,000. And you can find all of this information plus loads of other developments they have on the Redrow app. So easy to download and use, all from the palm of your hand. You can book appointments, save your favourites, find out all the features from all of the different homes and generally keep on top of everything you've got going on in there. But it's a little chilly out here, so let's go and take a look inside. Hello, welcome in. There we go, out of the cold. All right, so we are inside. This is the hallway. It's a really good size in here. And I can certainly feel that underfloor heating. There you go, Alex, close the door. It's a bit chilly. Okay, so on my right and to Alex's left, we have got a double garage. And then here is our downstairs toilet. Very handy, that's a good size. Okay, right, I'm going to take you immediately to my left into the living room. Ooh, very cozy. If you could smell it, it smells delicious in here. There's a diffuser or something going on. But we've got Saxony carpet in mother of pearl. I love that name. But this is a really big size, so definitely fit for a family here. Wonderful, so all of the furnishings that you see, it's been really well decorated, but it doesn't come with everything. You get a nice white canvas to play with, and then you can upgrade, you can customise it to however you like. So you could maybe add a light feature like this. It does come with the fireplace. Absolutely beautiful, so you can definitely feel that classic traditional look in here. Lovely big bay window there, nice natural light flooding in. All right, well, we'll continue into the main living area. Here we go. Now, Redrow definitely concentrate on open plan living spaces, and I can really feel that here. So let's head over to the kitchen first of all. Here we are, we've got a bit of storage, very handy. Okay, we have got a integrated double freezer and fridge. I think there's enough storage there, wow. So that's nice and integrated, so it feels very seamless and neat, and that's by Siemens. You can again upgrade all these appliances, but most of the ones that we see are in fact Siemens. Look at these little touches. I mean, you know, 21st family, they need these mod cons. That is super cool. And then we've got a lovely quartz worktop here. So first of all, very easy to tidy and wipe up, but it looks lovely as well. The amount of storage in here is fantastic, which is what you want. We've got, ooh, oh, look at that. That's fun. Soft clothes. It's got to be soft clothes now, hasn't it? It's these little touches. We've got a wine cooler for the adults. And again, it does feel very traditional, a little bit rustic, but quite contemporary as well, with touches like these lights. Let's have a look. Oh, lots of, oh, look at this. It's very stylish and sleek. Here we go. In here, I could imagine you having your tea and coffee making facilities in there. And then we've got a, yep, Siemens dishwasher, lovely double sink. Wow, lots of storage. Oh, I'm loving the, oh, look at that. I'm loving the soft clothes. These units as well, absolutely beautiful. And we've got double oven, And then you've probably noticed by now, we've got another little room in here. This is the utility room, which I think every busy family would probably be very grateful for. We've got space for a washing machine and a tumble dryer. So you can just sort of like do all your laundry in here, it can be messy in here, close the door, and then you can entertain and do your living in the big room. Now this is actually where you would have your boiler, but because it's using an air source heat pump, you've got a bit of extra storage, always handy. And then the door there, you've got access onto the garden and to the front of the property as well. And underfloor heating on a chilly day like today, very welcome. Oh, and a breakfast bar. Love a breakfast bar. It's just handy if you want to have a morning coffee or the kids are having their breakfast here. You've got a lovely dining table here, enough for 8 people. And Redrow homes, they do, like I said, concentrate on this open plan living and big windows as well to let lots of natural light in. You don't have to concentrate so much on electric lights, but you know, it does feel very open and light and airy in here. Fresh air, we know how important that is in a home, and there is a series of vents and fans as well to help circulate that air and help to reduce the chances of condensation. They have thought of everything. So you can see the garden out there, which looks lovely. So these open all the way up. So when the summer comes, that will be lovely. You can just seamlessly walk out into the garden. Plenty of space for a barbecue. Okay, and we've got the same floor here that we did in the hallway. So it creates that lovely flow and a bit of a journey through this ground floor into our living room area. Oh, this is nice, isn't it? So although it is one big space, I really like that it's been zoned out. You know, there are different areas. You've got your cozy living area, so the kids can be watching the TV, or you can be doing their homework on the dining room table, and maybe, you know, the parents are at the back there doing some cooking. So you all feel like you're sharing the same space and promoting that feeling of togetherness. But you know, you can get on and do your own thing. If you are enjoying the video so far, do subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and Redrow do have loads of other homes across the UK, and we have been lucky enough to tour some of them, so I'm going to put a link to some of the videos of different styled houses if you want to have a look at those. Alright, I'm going to take you upstairs. Let's go. I love looking around show homes, and don't forget you can too. So a little reminder that you can download the Redrow app and check out the nearest development site to you. Go and see all the different features from homes from across the UK. Right, okay, so we're up here on the landing, and very handily there's cards in all of the rooms, and it tells you what upgrades you can have. So these are ones for outside, remote control garage door, and an electric vehicle charger point. So remember, this is part of the eco range, so it's all about sustainability, and electric vehicles, that's the way forward. So it's great that you can step into your brand new home, and that's out there as well. Right, okay, I think we're going to start with the main bedroom. Let's go in here. Oh, I love the colour. Wow, this is lovely. Look at this bay window. So we've got a nice vanity table and huge inbuilt wardrobes. And these are all by Croft in Heritage Green. Very nice. Nice carpet again. And into the very generously sized ensuite. Wow, look at the size of this walk-in shower. And we've got underfloor heating in here as well. As well as the air source heat pump, it has thicker insulation. Like I said, got underfloor heating. The house really retains that heat. I think you would call this the guest bedroom. Lovely sliding, oh, that is a smooth sliding wardrobe door there with big mirrors. And then another ensuite, I'll let you pop in there. And into the family bathroom. Again, floor to ceiling tiles. I love this feature. That's a great light. Look at that mirror. Brilliant. Got a heated towel rack. Not that you would actually need it. I mean, again, we've got underfloor heating here, and this house just really retains the warmth. In fact, research has suggested that homeowners of new home builds actually save £2,600 a year on their energy bills. Wow. So win-win. Okay, all right. This is one of the kids' bedrooms, another really good size, room for them to grow into. Nice. And then with a bit of storage in there. And lastly, the 4th bedroom, but they're using it as a home office. So great amount of inbuilt storage there. Oh, I wouldn't mind working from home here, but you know, easy to get a single bed, probably a double actually as well, quite easily. It's immaculate and so polished, and you really notice that. Even just little things like these brushed chrome switches just adds that little bit of luxury and elevates the entire house. But like I said, the actual structural build is just second to none. And I can actually see outside into the garden, which looks beautiful. The sun is still shining, so I think it's time that we popped outside. Well, here we are outside, and you might be able to hear in the background, but the development is in full swing, being built up all around us. And this is the garden. What do you think, guys? Pretty good size for a new build? I think so. And you can do whatever you want with it. You can customize it, you can have lawn, you've got plenty of patio space there if you want a barbecue, maybe a pond, a rockery. The choice is yours. This is the whole point. You can customize it to whatever you want. So here we have our air source heat pump. The Henley is part of Redrow's eco-electric range, so super sustainable, cost efficient, keeping your house nice and toasty warm. Eco benefits and obviously the premium product aside, the location of this development is ideal. It's on the edge of Haddenham, surrounded by fields, so lots of open space. And then nearby you've got Tame train station that, like I said, takes you straight into London. Got a local garden centre, you've got Haddenham Museum and a local rescue wildlife centre, Tiggy Winkles. Well, I hope you've enjoyed today's video. I have certainly enjoyed taking you around. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on those notifications so that you keep up to date with all the latest and greatest homes from around the UK. Thanks very much for watching, and I will see you again very soon. Right, let's head to the front of the property and start the tour.